This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The Model 10014 humidifier is an ultrasonic cool mist unit with a built-in nightlight and essential oils diffuser. The unit has only a 0.7-gallon water tank and a coverage area of only 280 square feet. The units use digital controls, but they do not have a humidistat for precise control of humidity levels, but they are pretty quiet with a noise rating of just 24 decibels in the sleep mode. They are very inexpensive when compared to other brands that are available. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.